name is Trevor Pruitt. This is after my first procedure with Smile Hair Clinic, and the results have been fantastic. My biggest concerns were density and the hairline. I didn't want a straight across hairline, but Smile Hair Clinic and the way that they do theirs is much more natural. Recovery and post-procedure was very simple. Just wash. They are very thorough. They give you a whole pamphlet of what to do day to day and a whole timeline of when you can start doing certain things again. So it was very simple. They made it very easy. As a hairstylist, it has been fantastic. I've had several clients actually, because of my results, want to come into the clinic themselves. Absolutely. It's definitely made me feel about 10 years younger. Most people are amazed at how dense they were able to get it and how natural it still looks. Yeah, and I have actually recommended several people to the clinic because they are so amazing.